Alright, what's good everyone? Pretty much going over what we're doing with the car. Nothing too crazy out of the ordinary. We want to settle, or at least I do with these cars, is just the suspension. Gonna do all new coilovers, rear lower control arms, what else? Traction arms, tow arms, all that stuff. Just to really get it dialed in nice. Yeah, so want a good ride quality. Want it to be still comfortable, nothing like too bouncy or stiff. Suspension, that's what's on my list. Already got the Motorista body kit coming out. I got the front bumper on the way, the side skirts. Don't mind this. Gonna be obviously getting rid of this soon. Not really tripping about the little stuff like this. You know, it does get annoying to see it like that and drive it, but yeah, just gotta get some other, see this clip, like this is all messed up right here. I don't know. I know it's overkill. I didn't have to get bumpers and stuff probably, but I got the chance to get the Motorista one for a pretty good deal local, so I was like, yeah, why not grab it? You know, and I found a good body shop. They don't charge too much for paint, so yeah, gonna be doing that. And one other thing I'd say is probably just wheels, tires, and then honestly probably like a 1JZ swap down the road, since it's a 01, has pretty much the same computer as a JZX100. So wouldn't have to really buy a standalone, a turbo, an intake, a manifold, injectors. I can just pretty much buy a used 1JZ GTE and it'll come with all that. Because if you've done an NAT build, yeah, that stuff gets really expensive, especially when you have to buy a computer, start relocating things, bunch of stuff. All that adds up before you'd even know it. So yeah, be a little simple. Definitely try and keep this car as a daily driver. Just do the wheels, coilovers, arms, some bushings. I already got some of that stuff on the way. Body kit for now, then I'll just be chilling. Planning on keeping it the automatic. Want to keep the A650E with the 1JZ, just so it's a more comfortable daily driver. Even though I'm pretty sure the buttons on the wheel and whatnot won't work because the aftermarket throttle body. Unless somebody, not aftermarket, well, the 1JZ throttle body, unless somebody knows how to wire it up or has like a write-up or something about it, yeah. But other than that, just want to make it look nice and ride nice. Nothing crazy high horsepower, no dual pumps or no G35 1050 turbo. Not trying to do none of that. Just want to keep it nice, simple, daily, clean daily driver, you know, reliable. Especially with the 1J on the stock turbo, that'll push for pretty long, to be honest. Especially if I'm not going over like 300 horsepower. Yeah, in my eyes, that's probably like the perfect daily driver. 300 horsepower, nice IS, automatic. You can at least, put it in the low 2 and 3. And yeah, I still liked it like that with the automatic. Even though you can use the buttons, yeah, it's still fun though, even with just that. So yeah, that'll save me a decent bit of money if I don't have to, do a whole manual swap or different auto swap. Yeah, at least that's the plan. Because you can at least get these auto trans for pretty cheap, probably under $500 with pretty low mileage too, under like 100,000, under 150,000. So yeah, that's the goal. Yeah, just a matter of time. Obviously, I'm not made of money, I'm not rich or nothing like that. Just want to do a nice little kit, nice little 1J to have some power and call it a day with the suspension. But other than that, yeah, stay tuned for the next video, because it'll probably be the body kit with like an install video maybe, or something along those lines. So definitely not gonna want to miss out, especially the Motorista kit. It's probably one of the cleaner Altezza body kits that they have out there. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, like, and comment down below your thoughts on what you would like to see with this build. And yeah, until then, I'll catch you in the next one.